Let's now go ahead and install our LED taillights in the back of your vehicle. We're going to use a T25 Torx bit to go ahead and loosen and remove the 2 screws right here. You want to go ahead and grab that taillight and pull it straight back to you. I'm going to go ahead and get our fingers underneath here. Pry that straight back. Go ahead and twist this one out. Pull it out with the bulb. I'm going to pop this one out as well. Just twisting it counterclockwise. And once you remove the taillight, we have to remove the bulbs. This here has a red safety lock. We're going to use our pocket screwdriver, undo that. Then we can go ahead and pinch on this tab and separate our bulb. Press down on this little tab and we're going to pull this bulb out, like so. We're going to go ahead and take our large socket here that has our bulb in it. Just pull that bulb straight out. This unit here has a connector on it. I want to go ahead and plug this into your light socket. And just press it in like so. Then we're going to feed this harness into the taillight. We're going to twist and lock this into place like you would if you had a bulb in there. Now I want to go ahead and install our bulb into the lower portion of this assembly here. Install counterclockwise. I'm going to bring this over, line up your harness. You want to go ahead and get that clipped on. Feel that snap into place. Now what we're going to do is we're going to just go ahead and set this in here for now. We're going to reconnect this harness right here, snap that into place, and we're going to set our lamp up in place like that, and we're just going to rest it for now. We're going to go ahead and test our light, make sure everything works as it should. Now we want to go ahead and test our lights. We're going to make sure that everything works as it should. Our lights seem to be working just fine. And we're just going to peel off the backside of this sticky pad right here. And we're going to install our resistor right on the inside. We can stick it right inside the backside of the bed. And this is to help us with the operation of the LED system. Now we're going to go ahead and install our taillight, get it pushed onto these push pins, press this right back into place. Don't forget to put your lock in on that taillight connector. Once that pops in, we'll go ahead and install our 2 screws. Once we get that one caught, we'll go ahead and get the bottom one installed, and then we'll snug them both down. Once you're all set, repeat the process for the passenger side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.